Hi there, welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about how to use influencer marketing to grow your business. Influencer marketing has become a powerful tool for businesses to promote the products and services. In fact, a study shows that 80% of marketers find influencers marketing effective. So if you are wondering how to get started with the influencer marketing, you are in the right place. In this video we'll discuss the steps you need to take a launch a successful influencer marketing campaign. Before you start reaching out to influencers, it's important to determine what you want to achieve through influencer marketing. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, or improve your social media presence? Knowing your goals will help you identify the type of influencers you should target and the content you need to create. When it comes to influencer marketing, it's not about the number of followers an influencer has, but rather their relevance to your brand and audience. To find the right influencers, start by researching the ones in your niche industry. You can also use tools like BuzzSumo, Auditor, Aspire IQ to find influencers with a high engagement rate, active audience, and a good fit for your brand. Once you have identified the influencer you want to work with, it's time to develop your content strategy. Collaborate with the influencers to create content that's aligned with your brand and resonates with their followers. Make sure the content is authentic, valuable, and relevant to your audience. You can also offer the influencers creative freedom to come up their own ideas and content. Launch your influencer marketing campaign by promoting your content across social media platforms. Monitor the performance of your campaign using tools like Google Analytics, Hotsuite, or Mention, or to track engagement, traffic, and sales. Analyze the data and adjust your strategy according to achieve better results. Influencer marketing can be an effective way to promote your business and reach a wider audience. By following these steps, you can launch a successful influencer marketing campaign that drives brand awareness, generate leads, and increase sales. Remember, it's important to identify your goals, find the right influencer, develop a content strategy, and track your campaign performance. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.